Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL One X, and let me show you how to set the timeout on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and let's scroll to find the settings. Here let's tap on that battery, scroll down again, and here we've got the sleep option, so let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got some options to choose from. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. What's more, we can also set never, so our device will never black out. As you can see now, we've got 1 minute applied. In order to choose something else, then simply tap on the time you want to use, for example 10 minutes. And as you can see, it is immediately applied, and from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So that's all. This is how to set timeout in ALCATEL One X. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.